Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. In this video we will see that how can we delete all contents of a file using Vim editor easily. So at first open the files inside your server or inside your system. So here I have already created a file called test.txt. I am opening that file using Vim editor. So run command vi and then the file name. Now here you can see that here I have put some dummy data here and I will delete all the lines here. So it really does not matter that where your mouse cursor is. The mouse cursor can be at the top and can be at the end or can be at any place of the middle, and it really does not matter. So to delete all the contents and all the lines of a file using Vim editor, you have to type escape, then small g, and again small g, and then small d, then capital G. Yeah, now here you can see that all the lines have been deleted. Now you can type your new lines here, just like here I am typing my new data, and now I am saving this. And now when you will open the file again, then here you can see only the new data and all the previous contents have been deleted. Thank you.